This is a very comprehensive graphic that I found from the GovLab, which explains where and how you can find bad data through the data value chain. This value chain is designed more from an organization's cross-functional workflow. Bad data can enter at any stage of the data value chain, compromising the analytics and decisions. During collection, errors like dirty data entry, duplication, bias distort the raw inputs. Validation and oversight prevents this. In processing, poor data security, complex integration, and lack of monitoring risks introducing errors. Data hygiene is critical here. Then, sharing data heightens vulnerabilities like breaches, unauthorized access, and judicial issues. Governance enables safe exchange at this stage. Now, for analysis, incorrectly modeled data leads to misleading insights. Here, testing assumptions and eliminating the bias is key to success. Finally, in usage, faulty reporting or misinterpretation drives poor decisions. What we need to do here is expert oversight to ensure responsible use of data. It is really important to understand that bad data reduces analytics value and ethical risks is introduced. Continuous governance, diligence, and human guideline safeguards will really improve the quality throughout the data lifecycle, right from collection to usage. Poor data quality has severe consequences as we know it. It leads to inaccurate insights, biased outcomes, and failed projects. So we need to deeply appreciate why data quality matters. Let's start by defining data quality. It encompasses factors like accuracy, completeness, consistency, and reliability. Quality data is dependable for intended use cases. Reliability is really essential at this stage. Unreliable data undermines the validity of AI applications. We'll explore more best practices to ensure that the data meets the quality standards in the next section. I'll also share real-world examples of how poor data can ruin AI projects, from flawed facial recognition to misleading financial models. These use cases reveal the tangible impacts of bad data quality. By the end of this talk, you'll understand why data quality and reliability forms the backbone of trustworthy and ethical AI applications. You'll learn actionable strategies to assess and enhance your data. This includes techniques like anomaly detection, bias testing, monitoring, and having a strong metadata handling. High-quality data is the fuel that powers responsible AI. With diligent governance and the right tools, we can create virtuous cycles of improvement.